division of labor about Eastern Europe. Hungary is obviously belongs partly to an Austrian sphere. And of course, Hungary would also like to get into the EC. But that's not likely to happen right away. You had another question?
This is not pertaining to what we were talking about, but is this movement called Greenpeace? It seems to be more aggressive. Is it part of the green movement?
No, that's an organization that was formed in Vancouver, and it's an American-Canadian with very strong branches in Holland and Germany and Britain. But it's one of these NGOs. It's the biggest one of the non-governmental organizations. Sometimes Greens do work together with Greenpeace, like Save the Whales or something, but it's quite separate.
I just remembered I was asked to ask a question, and the question was, you mentioned last night that there were Greens in America. The question was, if one wanted to become a Green, how would you do that if you were in Ames, Iowa?
Yeah, I met in Minneapolis a coordinator, I can give his name and address afterwards, who is one of the co-coordinators of the Green Committee of, oh dear, I can't remember the name of it. The Correspondence of Correspondence, that's right, you know about it. So maybe you can answer the question.
Well, I know, I have the address of the organized out of Kansas City.
I'll get it.
Mm-hmm. Because they are setting up locals, and I guess you can adhere to the thing and set up a local. Okay, have we done our time, or is there any more questions, or is that it?
No more questions. Remind everybody, tonight at 8